Thought I'd do a quick little video of this speedqueen washing machine. Now, those of you that have been here since the beginning might recognise this little machine. Well, I don't think you could call it little. This is the 1993 kaw693w commercial heavy duty extra large 2-speed. The 2-speed matters because if you're waiting for the washing in a hurry, this has a 15-minute normal wash cycle, although I've added an extra rinse, auto extra rinse. All that switch does is it will just click over from the wash where it says off and it'll do the extra rinse. So it's probably 20 minutes long, 25 minutes maybe. If you have the 1-speed version, the older machine, then yeah, you're going to be waiting like 30-40 minutes, so it's quite a lot slower. They're still very good machines, but I haven't posted an update after fixing it. So basically, yeah, the front's got a dent in it. That's my fault. I've got to take it off and straighten it. If you hook a washing machine like that up and you don't have an isolator valve for the hot tap, an old solenoid, it'll just stop it leaking by. So the pressure coming out from this hose will seat the valve, and that's what keeps the solenoids closed. And if you only have one and hooked up and then the hose open, it'll just put water all over the floor when it fills, owing to the fact that the solenoids connect into a manifold type thing. But yeah, this thing got a new drive belt, a new outer tub, and a full seal kit with the mechanical carbon ceramic 2-piece seal, new agitator seal and air bell, which that's the seal for the transmission. So, and not long after I started using it years ago, because this has sat in the shed for years, not used, I pulled the timer out to run it and the bloody timer blew up, so I had to get a reconditioned timer. It's had new brake pads as well. So, yeah, absolutely filthy water, but the I don't care what anyone says, front loads just don't do a good job. This thing gets enough water in it, but as you can hear, it runs pretty damn nicely. This is going to get the plumbing done. I've actually got all the valves and stuff put aside wherever I put them, so that the isolator valves will go just next to the basin. The basin's going to be shifted over 100 mil towards the toilet, so it's a bit closer. And it's going to have a standpipe for the waste. I was going to put it in the corner, but I probably won't. I'll probably put it beside the basin, just right here. I'll probably put it there. You know, I don't know. I haven't fully decided that, but that's probably what I'll do. So the standpipe for the outlet hose is going to be copper, like this. It'll be copper, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.